So I got my Cleverly shower steamers. It's going to be my first time opening them and actually using them. I've been using other brands, so I'm trying to see if I can find the perfect one. So let's see what's inside. So the smell is very strong once you open it. It does smell pleasant. You get this little card in there as well. And you do get these tablets. I am getting accustomed to getting the bigger ones. But when I get the smaller ones, like I really like in the Body Restore brand, they're much like half the size of these. And I use 2 for the Body Restore. But I like to get these big ones. I like that they come individually wrapped. The smell is really pleasant. And these look so pretty. Look at this right here. It's so pretty. And it actually tell you which one you are going to be using at the bottom of it. So I do like that too. The little things that they do, those small touches, make it so much more appreciative when you're getting ready to use them. So I do like that. And again, you don't want to have it submerged in water. I like to put mine in the actual soap dish. As you can see right here, I like the water just hit on it, it falls down, and I can actually preserve mine a little bit longer than normal than having it at the base of my actual shower.